Calendula is a wonderful medicinal plant that can help in healing wounds, but it is also a fantastic treatment for yeast overgrowth. Oral thrush, Candida found on the nipples and or breast tissue, these can be common ailments for nursing mothers and newborn babies. Calendula is an effective treatment against yeast infections anywhere in the body really, including nappy rashes that can be inflamed by a bacterial or yeast component, vaginal yeast infections, oral thrush, Candida on the nipples, and other troublesome areas. This herb is safe for use on little ones as it provides gentle healing properties and is non-toxic. Adding calendula to coconut oil helps create a potent antibacterial and antifungal oil that stimulates healing and is gentle on sensitive areas. Coconut oil or MCT oil can be used as both these coconut products contain lauric acid and capric acid, among other beneficial properties, which are naturally occurring compounds that provide powerful antimicrobial benefits. Catching skin infections early, keeping them clean, and using coconut oil, infused or as is, can work wonders in treating these conditions effectively, without the sting that can come with other conventional medications. So, if you're experiencing any kind of skin ailment or yeast infection, this homemade calendula-infused coconut oil can work wonders in promoting healing and soothing any irritation caused by the infection. To make this calendula-infused coconut oil, start by pouring 1 cup of dried whole calendula flowers and 3 cups of organic fractionated coconut oil or MCT oil into a high-speed blender and blend for 10 to 20 seconds to help break up the flowers and create more surface area for the extraction. Be careful not to overblend this mixture though. Pour the blended mixture into a clean, dry, large glass jar, then cap the lid on tightly and store the jar in a warm, dark, dry place. This oil will infuse for 6 to 8 weeks to create a potent healing extract. After infusing, strain out the oil using a nut milk bag or cheesecloth, then bottle the oil in small amber glass dropper bottles for easy use. Apply this oil regularly where needed to sensitive, itchy, or stinging spots on the body. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on how to make calendula oil. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you do try this recipe out yourself and what you think. I'd love to know. I wish you a wonderful day or night wherever you are in the world. I send you all my love and I'll see you soon again.